This video explains how to add, delete, rename, and rearrange the order of lines. To get started, let's take a look at how to rearrange the order of lines. So let's say the first thing you inspect when you get to a property are the fences. And so because of this, we want to move fences to the top of the list here. To change the order of a line, all you have to do is click on the icon to the left of the line, hold your mouse in, and simply drag and then drop it where you want it to go. And this gray line that you see tells you where it's going to go. We're going to move it to the top. And that's a look at how to change the order of lines. Next, let's say we want to change the name of Steps and Stoops to only say Steps. We can do this by double clicking on the words Steps and Stoops and then making a change here on the Modify Prompt screen. So we'll change this to simply say Steps and then we'll click on OK. You can also easily delete out lines. Let's say you don't inspect lawn sprinklers, so we just don't need this line anymore. To delete the line, simply click on the icon here to the left and then select Delete Line. And it asks you, are you sure you want to delete this line? Click on Yes, and then the line is removed. Finally, you can add in new lines. And to add in a new line, we'll go up to Tools, Add Line. Here we have an option for type, and you have quite a few different line types to choose from. One question answer is the most commonly used line type. But in general information, you'll see that you have 2 question answer lines and 3 question answer lines. You can also add in a yes/no option, a standalone note, check boxes or an option list, a text piece where you can add a block of text to appear in your report. You can add a page break, collect an electronic signature, or you can add a simple line that simply has the rating, a prompt, and then a spot for a note. So it's very similar to the one question answer, it just doesn't have a spot for the description or the material. We're going to pick the one question answer since this is the most commonly used one. Here we have an option for the screen prompt, and we'll say that this new line is for fountain. So we'll type in fountain for the screen prompts. Down here we can choose whether or not we want it to have a rating and a note, and we want it to have both of those. And to the right, we can pick where we want it to show up in the list. Let's say we want this to show up after retaining walls. We'll select retaining walls, and then we'll click on OK. And now on our list, we have our new line for fountain. We've now taken a look at how to add, delete, rename, and rearrange lines. This concludes the video on working with lines.